Spencer and I are going to Home Depot. We're going to make a Home Depot run. And where else are we going to go?
Supermarket.
Supermarket? Okay, we can go to the supermarket. Maybe get some ice cream too?
No,
Oh.
donut.
Ice cream? And what are we going to get? Donut?
Donut.
What kind of donut do you want?
The rainbow donut.
Rainbow chocolate donut. Okay, let's make a Dunkin' Donut run too.
Donut.
Yeah.
Hey.
You're going to run over to the old van?
Oh, Depot.
Yeah, we're here. Home Depot.
We had Depot.
Home Depot.
Depot.
Depot. You gotta pick up a few things here at Home Depot for the van build. Just some things to secure down the dishwasher and some paint and some poplar wood. Just a few things. You know all the numbers here, yeah? We gotta go find some adhesive.
Wow.
Silicone adhesive.
Wow.
Yeah. Wanna go see the Halloween decorations there? Let's go. Yeah, let's go take a look. Whoa, is that a cool dragon? Is that scary? And a dog, big dog. We can put stuff on this. Whoa, is that a little scary? I got you. I got you. A little scared, isn't it? What about this one? You wanna see this one? This one's not moving. Wow, look at that big skull there. A little scary. All right, let's get out of here then. Oh, we got some silicone adhesive. Okay, you can hold this. You can hold this. Okay, thank you. Yeah, you can put it right there. You feel a little dizzy? Really dizzy? Wow, that's so dizzy. We'll pick up some wood filler for all the gaps in the wood. We gotta get a black ceiling paint, so we're gonna pick that. We got a small can, I think it's fine. Okay, we gotta let them make it.
Make it.
Yeah, they gotta make it.
Make it so heavy.
Yeah, just black. Make the paint for us. Ooh. Forklift, isn't it? And we also gotta pick out wall paint, so we'll do silver, feather, satin enamel, so we can clean it if you draw on the wall, Spencer. Okay, we'll bring this one too. I also want to get some plywood, either the birch or the poplar. I don't think they have poplar here, but I want the store to help me cut them into like 2.5-inch thick boards, like really long, and then those can go on the ceiling, kind of like how we have it in the old van. But because Spencer is here, it's going to be very hard for me to push another cart carrying all the wood. So we will get that another day. I think we got pretty much everything that we need. All right, let's head back home. Actually, we got to go to Target, get some ice cream and some donuts. All right, we'll do that before we go home. All right.
Thank you.
Where did Archie go? Home with Mama. Yeah. All right, let's go. All right, let's go. There you go. Let's go. Woohoo! One of these. A creamer. Pick up some ice cream. A lanti. Let's do chocolate. We got our chocolate donut. You like it? Is it chocolate donut with rainbow sprinkles? Yeah. It's Halloween edition, so it's just chocolate color and orange. Yeah. Is it good? So good. All right, we're gonna head back home. We gotta take a nap, okay? We got back from Home Depot and Target a little while ago, and Spencer's napping with Archie upstairs, and Rina's watching the both of them. We sort of got a good habit down now. During nap time, Rina's able to take care of both of them, which means I can come downstairs here and work on the van, which is nice. Getting kind of back at it. And I only really have like 2-3 hours to work. I mean, it's already like 3:30 right now. So I will see what I can get done. And yesterday I left off with staining our shower box, bathtub. And I'm gonna work with epoxy today. I have a box of epoxy right here. And the epoxy is gonna make this thing completely waterproof. Even if we sort of fill it with water from when Archie takes his bath, then it's gonna be watertight. No water is gonna go into the wood itself. So I'll work on that. And today is day 97 of our DIY Sprinter van build. So let's get some work done. And the goal for us now is hopefully I can try to finish the van in the next 3 weeks, like fully done now. I'm talking about like drivable and water working, everything just complete so that we can start making our way and just taking short trips. Because once Archie is ready and Rina is ready, both of them, then we can go to different states nearby. We're not going to be too far away because we still need to come back to New York for Archie's like doctor visits and stuff. So we'll be sort of in the East Coast, but we'll be able to sort of start making our way on short trips, and that's going to be really fun. So I'm going to give myself about 3 weeks to finish everything. And by the way, this is the orientation of how the boys are sitting. Archie's in the corner here where Spencer was sitting in the crew section, and Spencer's up in the front here with the seat reversed. This is really secured, and I think this is a pretty good setup. And Rina sits right there and she can see both Archie and Spencer, and I'm the driver up front. Let's open up this box of epoxy and see how I can work with it, because I never used epoxy before. I think I also need a torch or something to get the bubbles out, but let's take a look. Got a pump head here, marine epoxy, and it's also got the containers too. I'm just checking the instructions on how to mix these epoxy. So it's 5 resin pumps to 1 epoxy hardening pump, and I need to test it first before I mix it, but all right, we'll just try it, see if we can get it right. 5 to 1. Let's put this in. This is gonna be the 5 pump. Let's clear the line first. Am I doing something wrong? Nothing's coming out. What's going on? There you go. It's not really coming back up though. Am I doing something wrong? I can pour this back in after I test it, but oh, I think I just need to let air out, huh? Okay, all right, let's pour it back in. Now let's do the other one. Okay, I think we got it going. So 5 to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then one of these. 1. Okay, let's mix it in. Supposed to stir for like 2 minutes. Okay, I think this is ready now. Let us let's pour this in. Yeah, I'm gonna need a lot more. I'm just going to use a foam brush to apply the epoxy all over this. Looks like we're gonna need a little bit more. Let's mix some more. One. I'm sort of just pushing the epoxy around, filling all the corners and cracks. Everywhere the water is going to penetrate. The inside of the tub is pretty much all covered up with epoxy. I'm going to start working on the edges. Any of the holes here on the top between the wood here. All the sides are now covered with epoxy. I want to use a torch. See if I can make it look nicer. There's not really any bubbles, but let's see if this makes a difference. I'm not really sure how nice this is going to look once it's dry, because the sides here, they're sort of like drippy looking. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's like, it's not very clean and smooth. The middle here is, because I have like a pool of epoxy here, and I sort of tilted it up a little bit on this end because I want the epoxy to pool on this side so that when this thing is flat, when water goes in here, it would naturally sort of flow towards the drain. Yeah, the best is down here. I think the walls here are all like kind of droopy. And the back here too. I don't know if you guys can tell. So maybe we need a second coat to this once it's done. Maybe sand it down, but it's pretty well covered with epoxy though. Like pretty much all the corners are filled. There are some gaps here in between the wood here. Maybe I should have used some like wood filler first before I put the epoxy, because the epoxy just sort of seeps inside these holes. So I don't know if when this is like water is touching it or whatever, if water is going to seep into it. But let's wait for this to dry first. I don't know how long it takes, maybe 2-3 hours or more. And then we reevaluate what else we need to do with this. But for now, we'll just kind of let it sit. And in the meantime, I'm just going to keep working on installing the hinges on the platform area before it's dinner time. It's time for dinner. Yes. Hey, Archie. Hi, Archie. You see Archie? You want to go see? Come on, come on, come on. Come here. Mama gotta put Archie on the carrier so Mama can eat. Yeah, you want to help? You gonna help? You gonna go on the carrier too? Hands? That's a long carrier. You got like really long straps. Boom. All right, let's eat dinner, Spence. Say fine out there. Let's go eat. Let's see what Mama made for dinner tonight, Spence. We got some beef and broccoli, some zucchini and shrimps, some salmon,
And chicken wing.
chicken wing, and beef. And you have some rice. You want some rice over there? Okay. Oh, and a soup. 你煮呢個湯係咪啊？呢個番茄湯係咪啊？係啊，and a tomato soup with beef. Yeah.
而家有實粒。
係咪仲有結冰係咪？應該琴晚攞出嚟嚇。唔緊要，唔緊要。All right, we got some nice tomato soup here. Okay. 唔緊要，啲牛係。Okay. You're welcome, Spencer. Here, have some beef, yeah? You gonna eat some white rice? You're just gonna do white rice? Let's do some beef. Let's do some beef. And you can do a big tree. What do you think? Should we do a big tree? Whoa, let's do a big tree. Come on.
What?
Big tree. Here you go. Broccoli.
No, there's nobody.
Okay, later then. We'll leave it right here. You keep dropping the rice, man. 你俾埋個 like 係咪？你跌晒啲飯喺地下。
Thank you.
好啦，食飯啦。We got done with dinner not too long ago. Spencer and I are just hanging out downstairs here. He's watching a little TV. Rina and Archie upstairs feeding and just resting. Yeah, what are you eating? Sansa bang. I see you. I see you eating sansa bang, yeah? And sort of getting the hang of the newborn now, and he's pretty easy to handle for the most part. I mean, Rina's handling the bulk of it, and she's doing a great job nursing him and sort of rocking him to sleep and holding him to sleep. So I am left with a little bit more time to work on the van whenever I can, and I'll get a few hours each day, seems like, to go downstairs and do some stuff. And hopefully I can get the van done in the next several weeks so we can hit the road again real soon. And a special shout out to SKP 2025 and Tedman 2786 for your special thanks. I and the family really appreciate it. Nice little red pocket lucky money for Archie there. Thank you. And for all of you guys who congratulated us and all the well wishes, thank you so much, and really appreciate you guys sticking along to our journey. So if you guys want to keep following our DIY Sprinter van build and our family of 4 soon to be traveling in our new van, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new videos come out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so they can spread out to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye bye. Spanish, you want to say bye bye? You want to say bye bye? Can you give it a thumbs up? Give us a like. Yeah. Okay. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.